Hi to everyone, this is the Accord Power digital product water ATM machine 2 tap with card plus coin with GSM. Today we will see that how to do wiring and settings, how the machine will work. This is the front view, this is the tap 1 option and the tap 2 option. This is the card where the customer will touch and dispense the water. He can also insert the coin here and dispense the water. And it's clearly mentioned that there is a model number combo 2 tap GSM. This is a serial number. And this is the internal view. This is a coin acceptor where the customer will insert here. When the power will on indication, there is a shows the red light indication. This is the motherboard and this is a GSM PCP. The customer can insert GSM SIM here and he can use the data to get the data to phone as well as he can see the data and website. Here we can connecting SV and flow sensor. Here clearly mentioned that how to connect the SV flow sensor. There is a mention that SV wire should be blue and green and flow sensor wire should be red, yellow, black. You can connect the pump also here of HP up to here. Same to same wiring we have done here. Same SV, blue and green wiring and flow sensor wiring here. Like that only we can connect the second tap also, blue and green and flow sensor here. And we can connect the pump here. It's mentioned that off HP pump you can connect by here itself. This is the internal view. After inserting coins, it will collected by here. Just now we will power on the machine and how to do settings we will see. When the power on the machine, it will show that welcome the unit number. For every machine there is a separate unit number. That machine unit number card will work only to this machine. After network searching, it will show that select volume button or insert coin. It clearly mentioned that there is a date and time also. Here is the signal strength. If the SIM card is inserted, it will show the signal strength here. By that machine, we can get also the master key. You will get the master key to open the settings. You will get the white color user cards, 2 numbers to dispense the water, which will use by the end customer. Just we are keeping the master key here. When keeping the master key, the settings will open. The first option is the date and time. By pressing enter key, you can see the date and time. You can change if any date is wrong by pressing up and down. And you can shift to the month, year, time. It will mention in the railway time. You can change by itself by pressing up and down. If you press the enter, it will automatically save. After that, pressing exit key. Second option is the dispensing mode. By entering the dispensing mode will be entered. In this you can see the few options. First option is mode. In this mode, by pressing here, you will see the double arrow here. If you press the down, it will show the cold and normal mode. You have the 2 taps numbers, sir. First tap you can use the cold water and second tap should be used in normal water. It is a fixed mode. When the customer wants to use single dispense, just without pressing any key, just we can keep the fixed mode and just card touch the coin automatically. Water will be dispensed. If the customer want to give the free water, he can also give the free water by keeping free mode. It's a fixed plus start button. When the customer want to touch the card, after that if he press the start button, tap 1, that time only the water will be dispensed. It's a free plus tap wise. When the customer want to give the free water, when the pressing the tap button, that time only he will get the water. It's a normal mode. Once again, in normal mode you can use the 5 types of dispensings. By pressing tap button you can dispense. I will show you how it works. Okay. If you press the enter button, it automatically saves. What mode you want, keep that mode and you can use the machine. If you want to use a single tap, you can off the by pressing the enter button. If you want to use the 2 tap, you can use the 2 tap you want to use, that tap you can on. If you don't want to use, just press the enter key, automatically it will be off. And the second option, if you want to off the coin system also, you can off by here by pressing enter button. If you press the enter button, it will become off, and if you press the enter button, it will become again on. It is a daily dispense any. If you want to keep any limit for the day, for example, one customer want to give for 20 liters, you can keep the limit for the card. If you press the enter button, it will show the double arrow here. After pressing down, it will show how many liters do you want to keep you can keep like that. For example, I am keeping 20 liters. 20 liters, if you press the enter button, one card will dispense only 20 liters. After that, the card will not work for one day. Next, after 24 hours, the card will work automatically. Once again, I am pressing enter. You will get the double arrow, and pressing up button. Any. If you put the any, you can swipe the card. How many times would you like? You can swipe like that. I am pressing exit key. And the third option is the volume setting. In this volume setting, you will just pressing the enter key. You will see that like this option, key 1. If you want to use 1 liter, just press the enter button. It will show the double arrow. Press the up button and keep 1000 ml. Okay. Again, press enter. It automatically saves. And next one is flow. It's for example, it's first step. It will count the flow. If you press the enter key, it will show the double arrow here. After pressing up and down key, you can change the number flow. For 1 liter, generally we keep 250. It will approximately we are keeping. Depending on the pressure, it will may change. If you press the enter button, it automatically saves. For second tab, we can same like that only. Just press the enter key, you will see the double arrow. Just press the enter key, you will see the double arrow. By pressing up and down, you can change. Press enter key, it will save. For every settings, same process. And the last is the option key 5 price. You can set the price here also by pressing up and down key and keeping 1 rupee 1 liter. Okay, like that only. There is a for first key it will should be here, and the second key like that. You can adjust the settings here by scrolling up and down. Third key, fourth and fifth. You can adjust any setting by enter, up and down key. After that, enter. It will be saved. After that, exit. Now I am showing how the water will be dispensed. Okay. Now it was in normal mode. Now I want to now select the button, any button you like. Now I am pressing the enter key. It shows that 10 rupees 250 ml, 2500 ml. Sorry. Just touch the card. That automatically 10 rupees has deducted from this card, and the remaining balance is 19 rupees. Okay. Just pressing the tab button, the automatically dispense will start. Sorry. Okay, like that only we can dispense the second tap also. You can use by pressing present I am pressing the first button for 1 rupee 1 liter 1000 ml. After that I am touching the card and pressing the second tap. It will automatically start. Like that only. You can use the coin system also. Now inside the coin, it will show the received 5 rupees. 1 rupee you want to use, 1 rupee you can use, 2 rupees as you wish. And press the start button, automatically the water will be dispensed. At a time, you can use the 2 taps at same time. Next, we will go to the next settings. Just keeping the master key here. And the third setting is how to activate cards and recharges. For example, you purchase the new card, means to activate this card, how to recharge this card. To go to the activate and recharge settings, just press the enter button. It will show the password. It will ask the password, and the password was 2525. The settings automatically will save. After setting open, you will see the 3 options: card recharge and user card active and master card active. If you are using the new card, if you bring the new card, first of all you have to activate the card. To activate the card, press the down button. You will go to the user card active. Press the enter key. The number will automatically count. When you touch the card automatically activated. If the card was not activating, just press the up button and keep the card. The card will automatically activated. Press the exit button and you can recharge now here. Go to the card recharge mode. It will show the old balance, net balance, add amount 1 and recharge mode activate. To recharge 10 rupees, press the scroll button, up button for 50 rupees and down button for 100 rupees and fifth button for 500 rupees. Fourth is for exit. Present time was recharging 100 rupees. Just I am pressing the third button and touch the card. The card old balance was 1 rupee and present recharge totally is 101 rupees. Net balance was 101 rupees. like that you can recharge. How many times you like that you can recharge. Press the exit key. If you want to activate the master key also, you can this type of key you can activate here. Just press the enter key, it will scan, and keep this like blue color key here. The card will automatically activated. If you want to keep the spare master key, so that you can activate here and keep spare. Exit. And next option was GSM settings. In this GSM settings you can see the data in mobile as well as website also. How many rupees it was dispensed, full data. To do the settings, just press enter key, it will show the password. The password was 2525. After that, automatically the settings will open. If you want to change the number, you can press the enter key here, press the up and down button here, and to shift to the another number, it will press the scroll button. To change the number, you can down and up. To shift the other number, press the scroll. If you want to save the number, press the enter like this. You can keep total 10 numbers here, and you can use same like that only. You can use the second number for user you are using the machine. Same like that only. Press the enter button, it shows the double arrow. Press up and down key to change the number, and press the enter key to save. Present first number is admin number. Admin number means the person who can message the machine and he will get the reply also. Second number is the user who can receive the data from machine, but he cannot send data message to the machine. Okay, how the GSM will work we will see now. I am pressing the exit key now here. It has shown that the percentage was 45 here. You can press message like this status. You will get the data details like here, the machine number 1489. It was dispense liters 29.8 liters. Card swiped 200. Card recharge 200 and card swiped. For example, I am messaging here status and question mark sent. It shows that like report send. After that you will get the reply here like this. If you want data directly from machine, you can press the fourth button. Data will automatically shows. This message will received to the user number as well as admin number. Same data you can see on the display also by pressing up button. If you press the up button, it will show that how many liters has been dispensed and card swiped, card recharged and coin collected. It will automatically backward after few seconds. You can see the data also in the website. Here is our company website. This is the same number here mentioned. If the how much time it has been dispensed, in which date, time, and the dispense volume, and card recharged, card swiped, coin collected. You can full data. It will be on the website also. Just keeping master key again, and we are going for the next setting. And the last settings was default settings. In the settings, if you have any to do reset the machine, if you want the settings to be started, touch the master key. It will open here. Pressing the down, it will show the last option, default setting. In the settings, you want to change the settings like previous which you have received. Just press the enter key, and it will show that you press the long button 5 for factory reset. If you press and hold the fifth button, automatically the machine will reset all the settings which have we done before. It shows that switch off the machine and restart the device. Just power off the machine and just power on. It shows that re-on.